You had moved, I just want to be very clear, where was this when this happened, according to you?
It was, I can't pinpoint the exact location, but I know that it was like maybe 2 blocks away from Dynamite.
Okay, so we're
2
gonna,
blocks east.
2 blocks east of Dynamite?
Yes.
Okay, so if we're going, and I just want to have this, Your Honor, I'm going to use Defense Exhibit 5.
Fine.
If we're looking at Dynamite, and we see here is Dynamite on Brady, is that correct?
That's what it appears on the map.
Okay. You're saying you think you went 2 blocks, this happens 2 blocks east? So like towards the right as we're looking at this?
Yes.
Okay. So it doesn't happen anywhere around this Glorioso's, right? Which is across the street from Dynamite, according to you.
It's an approximate location. I can't pinpoint exactly where it took place.
It's kind of hard to pick an exact location of where, like, something happens on the street, right? You don't know exactly where this happened, do you?
I know from as far as when my pace as far as like where I was on my bike. I know as far as like paces wise, but I know it had to be like roughly like, that's why I said an approximate, like 2 blocks away.
2 blocks away. So 2 blocks, this is Dynamite on Astor. 1 block would be Humboldt. You think it's possibly even further east than that. Is that what you're saying?
That's why I said approximate. I never made it to Humboldt.
So it's further down east from this intersection with Dynamite. Do I have that right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, sir, you indicated that after this incident, you were pretty upset, weren't you?
Which incident in particular?
What we just talked about, where you flip up on the car hood, according to you.
Yes.
Okay. You were angry, correct?
I was a bit infuriated, yes.
Okay. In fact, your words on direct were, "I can't let them get away," right?
I don't recall saying that, my exact words.
You don't remember stating that as they're going on, you thought, "I can't let them get away."
Yes.
So you did say that. That's what your thought was, right? You had just been wronged in your mind, and you were going to go after them because you could not allow them to get away, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
And I said that.
Hold on, thank you, sir. These guys, they're great attorneys. They're going to come back and ask you all that stuff. I just need the answer to my question, okay? So, you went after them, right?
I tried to catch up with them. I didn't go after them.
What's the difference?
I just tried to catch up, hey, like, to meet up with them. I didn't, like, go after them to, like...
They're ahead of you. You can't let them get away. You're infuriated. You bike after them, correct?
To catch up with them.
Armed with a gun, right?
Are you asking the question,
Yeah.
or you?
Yeah, armed with a gun, right? You've got a gun.
Yes, at
Okay,
this point.
now, at that moment, you've got to go past the sushi place, according to what you've just told us, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this place where you've bought the food, where, according to you, you're getting the food for daddy-daughter date night, you're going right past that to get at these 2 people, right?
Yes, that is
Okay,
true.
because you did not want to let them get away with what they had just done, saying these words to you, correct?
Wanted to see if they even acknowledged that they had hit me.
Sir, when you went up there, you didn't even bring up the hitting. You just said, "Were you talking to me?" Correct?
As I was, can you say that again?
You never mentioned this alleged getting hit by your bike. You drove up to them and said, "Were you talking to me?" Correct?
Yes, and I was also
Thank
finishing
you.
the statement.
And then,
but
when he said he was talking to you, you punched him, right?
yes,
Okay. Now,
I've accepted.
thank you very much, sir. So then, you punch this guy right in the face. And you bike off, right?
Yes,
Back going to the stairs that you'd come up on your way from home, correct?
I don't recall which pathway I took to get to Brady Street, if it was up the stairs or the ramp.
Sir, did it ever occur to you that the man you just punched in the face might feel the same way that you had felt just moments before? That he couldn't let you get away? That he wanted to talk to you or confront you about what happened?
It was compound, I guess. You
Yeah, it
can
was
break it up.
Did it ever occur to you that a man you just punched in the face might react the same way you had moments before?
Can you repeat that?
Did it ever occur to you that the man you had just punched in the face might react the same way you had moments before punching you in the face? That was a bad question. Let me do this again. You didn't want to let him get away, right? You stated you didn't want to let these two people get away, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And then that guy followed you because he didn't want to let you get away.
They actually chased me with the vehicle
Yeah.
and
They
tried
pulled
to hit
up
me.
and stopped and got out of the car. So here's my question, sir. Do you think you have the right to chase after someone that has wronged you, but someone does not have the right to do that to you when you punch them?
I was getting chased down with the
Wasn't my
vehicle.
question, sir. Do you believe it is okay for you to chase after someone and punch them, but someone can't do the same thing to you?
I reacted to being hit. And
You reacted to being hit. So that's what happened. A guy, you say you get hit, you get thrown up on the car. Your reaction is to go after him, punch him in the face one time, right? Just your reaction, correct?
can you repeat that?
Your reaction to what you say occurred on this car was to chase after him, not let him get away, and punch him in the face, correct?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Now, sir, you punch this man, and then he comes up and he gets in a boxing stance with you. Isn't that correct?
I didn't see him get in the boxer stance. I just seen him raise his hands up from his midsection, and it looked as though he was drawing up with the weapon, and it appeared that it was an item in his hand.
Hey, I'm sorry, it appeared that it was what?
It appeared that it was something in his hand.
Okay, you said you saw him coming up from his midsection, both hands, and you think he had something in his hands?
It appeared that there was an item. I wasn't just fixated on that item because there were two other threats behind him as well.
Understood. I want you to ask my question.
What else
gets
is he
into
going to
that
say
box-
during this cross-examination? You won't miss any of it. When we come back, we'll take you right back to continuing cross-examination of the defendant, Theodore Edgecomb.